Let's fix that without distorting the body. First, go to select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Click and drag over the model to create a precise selection of the subject. Then go to the layer. Now, press Ctrl-J, or Command-J on Mac. Let's add a solid color adjustment layer behind her to serve as a new background. Then press OK. With the model's layer selected, then go to the Edit menu, and select Puppet Warp. Now, we need to set our anchor points. Click to add pins on the shoulders and chest to keep the body locked in place. Carefully drag the pins on the face to straighten the head while the rest of the body stays perfectly still. It's that easy. Once you're happy with the result, simply press Enter. And there you go.